the world's largest technology exhibition, CES 2026, Consumer Electronics Show, will take place in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, from January 6th to January 9th, 2026. This prestigious event brings together the world's leading technology companies, innovators, and international media representatives. Atta Watan Media has received a special invitation to participate in CES 2026 as an official media representative. Through this opportunity, the latest global innovation trends, recent developments in artificial intelligence, and emerging technologies will be delivered to readers and viewers in a timely manner. The invitation also provides access to exclusive media meetings held in Las Vegas during the event. Being invited to such a prestigious international event represents an important step toward increasing the visibility and active presence of Turkmen media in the global arena. CES is recognized as one of the most influential technology exhibitions in the world. The event showcases numerous cutting-edge products and projects across areas such as entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence, automation, smart devices, and other modern technological solutions. The exhibition is enriched with a specially designed program for media representatives, including media days, as well as various presentations and demonstration events held throughout the exhibition grounds. Atta Watan Media's participation in CES 2026 will make a significant contribution to widely sharing global technology news in the Turkmen language. All updates related to the exhibition will be published in the CES 2026 Las Vegas section of www.attawatan-turkmenistan.com, as well as across social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In addition, special video reports will be presented to audiences on the Atta Watan TV YouTube channel.